The art of transformation. Active to passive voice in present perfect tense. Hello there, language explorers. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic in English grammar: converting active voice to passive voice in the present perfect tense. The ability to switch between active and passive voice is a critical skill that can make your English more varied and interesting. Don't worry if you find this a bit challenging. We're here to guide you through each step. Before we dive into the transformation process, it's crucial to understand what the present perfect tense is. The present perfect tense is used to talk about actions that have happened at some point in the past but are connected to the present in some way. An active voice sentence in the present perfect tense follows this structure: subject plus has, have plus past participle form of the verb plus object. For example, she has eaten the apple. Now, what do we mean by passive voice? In a passive sentence, the focus is on the action itself or the object of the action, not who is doing it. The structure for the passive voice in the present perfect tense is object plus has, have plus been plus past participle form of the verb. For example, the apple has been eaten. Time to put everything together. To convert an active voice sentence to passive voice in present perfect tense, you need to 1. Move the object of the active sentence to the subject position in the passive sentence. 2. Retain the auxiliary verb has or have. 3. Add been. 4. Use the past participle form of the main verb. 5. Optional. Include the doer of the action, using by. For example, if you start with this active sentence, the teacher has corrected the papers, you would convert it to the papers have been corrected by the teacher. Now, let's get some practice. Try converting these active voice sentences to passive voice. 1. They have painted the house. 2. I have finished the project. 3. She has taken the book. Leave your answers in the comments, and we'll review them in the next video. And that's a wrap on converting active voice to passive voice in present perfect tense. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering this skill. Keep experimenting with different sentences, and soon it'll become second nature. Happy learning, and until our next grammar adventure.